look like my battery is draining out. This is battery for the fob. So maybe it's time to go to have it replaced. Or I'll buy probably, I don't know where to buy this, but it's a simple thing. So you have to watch this later on. I'll explain it to you. Oh no, I have to look for a screwdriver later on so that I can replace the battery. So I'll show it to you. Probably I'm gonna buy probably in some of the store that caters the battery, a special battery for the key fob. Anyway, hang on tight, and I will show to you early in the morning at 73 degrees. And it happened. Key fob battery is too low, and it's time for me to change. Anyway, it's more than like 6 months already. Before, normally I buy battery from Price, but now Price is gone, so I don't have no choice. I have to buy from other store that sells this kind of battery. If I remember, I think it's CR2032, but I'll try to Google it later on. All right, hang on tight. See you again. This is what you're gonna do. So in order for you to replace, finally I found where to buy the battery. I bought the battery for $298 in Target, and for $298. At first they told me that the price is almost $6, but I said the price is only $598 or $298, and they match it. So since I don't have the tool, you just do like this, split this half. A little bit of patience because it might crack. So this is all what you need. CR2032. See this? CR2032, and it matches. It's not very hard to replace as long as the number of your battery is the same. No issues. So fob battery is easy to replace. So I have one reserve. Maybe every 6 months I have to change it. So that's all. Very simple. Remove from here. And put the one side first and push it down. That's all. Issues resolved. Energizer 2032. See, I replaced already, and issues will be resolved. No more beeping on my dashboard. That's all. It snaps. Push it down. As soon as it clicks, you're done. It clicks. Put back your key. Battery is done. See? Blinks. See this? Blinks right away. That means your battery is healthy again. Okay? Very simple. Key fob battery replacement is done. So if you don't mind, please don't forget. So like, share, and subscribe. Share to your friends. We don't have to bring it to the shop if we have an issue on our key fob. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember, my channel is Ben Loria Official. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you for watching again. Goodbye. All right, already changed the battery. Let's try. Let's try this. If something will pop up again here in the dashboard. So here you go. So it doesn't pop up anymore, but it's too hot. Battery issues is resolved. Okay, so simple thing, just watch it again if you want, but a very simple thing to change the battery. So that's all.